In this video, we are going to learn how you can create Google contacts from Zoho Sheet Rows. So the idea here is that whenever a new data is added to your Zoho sheet, automatically using those details, a new contact should get created into your Google contacts. For that, you need to integrate Zoho Sheets with Google contacts. So here your trigger application would be Zoho Sheet and your action application would be Google Contacts. So how you can integrate both these software applications using Pabbly Connect? For that, you need to come to my screen. So welcome to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Now, if you are a new user, you have to just click on sign up for free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes and you are going to get free task every month. If you're already a user of Pabbly Connect, simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as create Google contacts from Zoho Sheet Rows. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want that whenever we add a new data to a Zoho Sheet Rows, automatically using those details, a new Google contact should get created. For that, first we need to integrate Zoho Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So open this trigger window and here choose the application name as Zoho Sheets. Select the trigger event as New Rows. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Zoho Sheet. Now it is asking for the domain. So I'll just take you to the Zoho Sheet and here you can see that my domain is zoho.com in the URL. So I'll be giving the zoho.com domain over here. Okay. So you have to enter your domain over here and then simply click on save. Now it is asking Pabbly Connect would like to access the following information. So let's click on accept to give away the permissions over here. Authorization successful and now the Zoho Sheet account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now as we have created a connection, here we can find all the workbooks or the spreadsheets that I have created in my Zoho Sheet account. Okay, so I'll just take you to the Zoho Sheet account once again and here you can find that my spreadsheet name is Google Contacts Data, where I'm just adding the data for the first name, last name, email address, phone number, job title and the company name. Okay, so we are going to select the same workbook over here, that is Google Contacts Data. And here we have to select the worksheet. So here you can see that I have created a single worksheet. So the same worksheet is captured over here. So if you have created multiple worksheets, from the drop down you have to select your specific worksheet name. And now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see that it is waiting for the response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to add the data to a Zoho sheet. So I'm just going to add the data of the contact over here. Let's give the name of the contact as demo, last name as name itself, email address as demo@pabblytuts.com. Let's enter the phone number over here. Job title as developer and company name as Pabbly. So we have entered the details. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And within some seconds, the response will be captured over here. Okay, and here we have got the response. We have got the company name as Pabbly, email address. Here we can find the row type as new, row index. Here we have got the phone number, first name, last name, job title and other details of the contact that needs to be created. So now we are going to link our Google Contacts account with Pabbly Connect so that using these details, a new contact should get created. So let's scroll down and come to the action window over here and select the application name as Google Contacts. Select the action event as create contact. Click on connect, click on add new connection and click on connect with Google Contacts. That is asking me to choose an account to continue to Pabbly Connect contacts. So I'm just choosing my account. And now here it is asking for the access. So let's click on continue to give away the access over here. Authorization successful. And now the Google contacts are connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Google account. So make sure before creating a connection, you're logged in. Now here it is asking for the first name, last name and other details of the contact that needs to be created. So we have already got all these details from our trigger response over here. So we'll be mapping these details now. For mapping, let's scroll down. Simply click it over here. Come to the response of Zoho Sheet, that is the trigger response. And from here, we'll be mapping the first name. In the same way, we'll be mapping the last name also. That was name itself. We don't have the prefix and suffix, so I'm just leaving these fields as blank. Even we don't have the gender also. So to ignore this field, I'm just going to click on this mapping button and I'll remove this data. Okay, just because if I fix the data from the drop down, it will be fixed for each and every contact. So I don't want to make it fixed. So I'm just ignoring this field. Here we have to give the email address. So let us map it from our trigger response once again. We don't have some other details, so I'm just leaving these fields as blank. Here we are going to map the company name, that is Pabbly. Here we'll be mapping the job title, that was developer. And as we don't have the other details, I'm leaving these fields. Let's map the phone number over here. And now let's scroll down. We are not having the address details, so let us leave these fields. And now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new contact is created into our Google Contacts. Let's check it. We have to just refresh our Google Contacts. And here we can find a new contact created named Demo Name. Email address as demo@pabblytunes.com. Here we can find the phone number, company name as Pabbly and job title as developer. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we are going to check this in the real time. As this is a one-time process, we have set up an automation. Next time, whenever the data will be added to your Zoho sheet, automatically a Google contact will get created. So let's move to Google Contact Sheet once again. Okay, and here we are going to add the details of some other contact. Just we are going to check that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. Let's give the first name as dummy, last name as customer, email address as dummy@pabblytunes.com. Let's enter the phone number over here. Job title as accountant this time. And company name as Pabbly Connect. Okay, so we have entered the details. Now let us check our Google Contacts. We have to just refresh our Google Contacts account. And here we can find a new contact created named Dummy Customer. Email address as dummy@pabblytunes.com. Here we can find the phone number, job title as accountant and company name as Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I have given a wrong spelling over here in the description, I guess. Yes, that is why we can see that the company name is incorrectly displayed over here as Pabbly Connect. Okay, no issues. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And now I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, so first we have created an integration between Zoho Sheet and Pabbly Connect so that whenever a new data is added to your Zoho Sheet, automatically the details are captured in Pabbly Connect. And then using those details, we have created a new contact in your Google Contacts account. And in this way, we have learned that how we can create Google Contacts from Zoho Sheet Rows using Pabbly Connect. Thank you.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.